see in the sun, color shifts a little bit different versus in that bay. The bay does not do this color justice. Here out in the natural lighting, she looks absolutely gorgeous. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We got the windows down. The interior on this is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful truck. You can see the steering wheel's perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Sounds amazing. Applying the brakes, they feel solid, no vibrations. That's just barely getting on it. I like how tame the truck is, just cruising it. Right now, just kind of cruising it, just barely getting on it. You can hear that supercharger whine just a little bit. Power steering feels perfect. The suspension is actually really nice. But really, at just any moment, if you just barely tap on the gas a little more, it gets rowdy. Just like that. Perfect build. That's just literally barely touching the gas. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at the lip here. That is not rash, that's just something dirty from, it looks like when they installed the tire. You're gonna see some kind of gunk on the tire. So these might be new and that's just like residue left over that didn't get cleaned off. You're going to see a little bit of gunk here as well on those tires. Looking at the wheel, looks good. Finish looks really nice. Date code on the tires is 2024. You do have a gash right there. It has been touched up. You have some touch up here. You're going to see a little bit of gunk on there as well. Right here on the edge, got another little touch up spot. You do have some dimples in the paint in this area. And if you look really close, you're going to see some sanding marks. A-pillar looks good. Looking at that roof, that looks nice. You do have a gash right there, and it did go through the paint. Edge of that feels good. Got a chip right there. Here on the lower side. Most of this is just fleeing from driving it here. Looks like it didn't get wiped off. So I don't think any of those are scratches, just some dirt. You got some specks in here. Some specks of dirt in there as well. So those are not gashes, I don't think. A lot of that just wipes off, some sort of gunk stuck on the paint. That bed looks good. This is just a bunch of fling from them driving it here. So those are not chips. wheel looks good. Date code, once again, 2024. Just kind of scanning the hood. Looks really good. You can see that light has some age on it. Little scuffs here and there. You have some scuffs in this area, and then you have some more touch up on the edge right there. A couple light chips. Otherwise, that looks really good. Scanning this fender, that looks nice. Flare is super clean. You have a little more gunk here, so that's not rash. Got some dimples in the paint right there. A-pillar looks good. Those are not chips, it's just a little bit of bug splatter. The rest of that roof looks really nice. That's clean. Door edge looks good. A couple spots in the paint, some on the surface it looks like. Just some fling. I don't think those are chips or anything. Wheel looks good. Calipers, well, covers there are a little rusty. You got a large dimple there in the paint. Now, of course, you got to get super close with stuff like that, and you have them throughout the body, but they're really hard to find, and we are in perfect lighting. Crystal clear lighting here. These are just inserts, little white inserts on that. You do have a large chip there. The rest of this looks really nice. Kind of getting underneath here. Looks amazing. And you got your bed liner, got the flush mounted toolbox in there, or actually not even flush mount, it's lower. This side looks really good. All right, checking out the interior, absolutely gorgeous. They did a killer job on this. All of this is nice and secure. This is all beautiful. That trim looks good. There's your plaque. Jams are nice and clean. They did a great job there. Vents look good. Couple spots on here. Looking at these seats, absolutely gorgeous. That looks nice. Steering wheel looks amazing. That looks awesome. Here on this panel, absolutely gorgeous. You do have some chips in this area. Another chip there, got a chip there. Seat looks amazing. Love the pattern on here. Carpets are perfect. Dash looks good. Looking at that dash pad. All the attention to detail, absolutely beautiful in here. All right, scanning the engine bay. Absolutely gorgeous in here. Looks really nice. Very clean. Fit and finish of everything is amazing. They did a great job. Underside of the hood looks really good.